Here we go. GAM. G-A-M. Michael, good to see you. Hello, just joined. What are we've been doing? We're doing wrong answers only, Michael. So I put a word up on the screen. It's it's usually related to data science, and you are supposed to come up with the wrong answer. If you give the right answer, I'm going to be very disappointed in you. But the best wrong answer wins. Sometimes I choose them, sometimes we vote. But right now, the current word is GAM. G-A-M. If you attended last week's class, Introduction to Statistical Learning class, you would know what it is. But yeah, just let us know. Let us know what your wrong answer is. Great apple muffins. Oh, I like that. That sounds good. A good apple muffin when it's nice and warm and you have it with some milk. Ooh. Good aged malt. Okay. Get all mums. All right. Deadlord says I'm hungry. Yeah, obviously. I mean, you're doing a lot of food stuff. The problem is you're also making me hungry, and I'm watching my weight. I need to lose weight. I'm too fat. So yeah, I mean, but that sounds good. A good apple muffin with some of the cinnamon on top. Ooh. You get it with some milk. Oh. Taroons comes in with giraffes and marshmallows. Okay. That sounds like a children's book, right? You could probably write a children's book called Giraffes and Marshmallows and make like $1 million, right? Generally apprehensive mothers. Okay. GAM is the current word, guys. Anybody for GAM? Grandma axed me. That's hilarious. Good at modeling. Nice. You're not answering it, but you're still giving. You're not giving the right answer, but you're still giving like a data science themed answer. I'm with you, Rohan. I like that one. Deadlord says giggling AI monsters. Nice. Again, keeping with the data science theme. I can appreciate that. Anybody else for GAM? G-A-M. Last call for GAM. Goofy AI mishaps. Nice. That's a strong entry. That's a very strong entry.